Hello dear students, today we will learn about subtraction and how to do subtraction of large numbers. Let us discuss the terms used in subtraction. Imagine you have 6 chocolate in your hand. You ate 4 chocolate. How many chocolate will left over in your hand? Here we use subtraction to find the number of chocolates left. So, the words leftover, remind, difference, take away all shows subtractions. The number from which a number is subtracted is called as minuend. The number that is subtracted is called as subtrahend. The answer of subtraction is called as difference. Look at the same example. Here, 6 is called as minuend, 4 is called as subtrahend, after subtracting we get the answer 2 is called as difference. So I repeat, the number from which another number is subtracted is called as minuend. The number that is subtracted is called as subtrahend. Answer of subtraction is called as difference. We use the sign minus for subtraction. Let us discuss some properties of subtractions. The first property says that when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Look at this example. 147 minus 0 gives 147. So, when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer remains the number itself. When 0 is the subtrahend, the difference is the minuend. Here the minuend is 147. If we subtracted 0 from that, the difference also will get as 147. So when 0 is the subtrahend, the minuend is equal to the difference. Let's see the second property of subtractions. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. I repeat, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Look at this example. 295 minus 295 gives 0. Here the minuend and subtrahend are same, so the answer will get 0. If minuend is same as subtrahend, the difference will be always 0. Next property of subtraction. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. I repeat, when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. We know the term predecessor. Predecessor means the number that comes before. If we subtract 1 from a number, we will get the predecessor. Look at this example. 186 minus 1 is equal to 185. Here 185 is the predecessor of 186. So when we subtract 1 from a number, we will get its predecessor. Let us learn how to subtract large numbers. We will follow the same steps what we followed in addition. That is, the first step is write the numbers in the place value chart. After that, we start to subtract each digit starting from the 1 place onwards. Look at this example. 7,56,308 minus 5,43,200. So the first step is write them in the place value chart. So I have written all these two numbers in the place value chart. Now we will start to subtract each digit starting from the 1 place onwards. So in the ones place, the first digit is 8. So 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0, which is equal to 8. Now tens place, 0 minus 0, which is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 minus 3. If we take 3 from 6, the leftover will be 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So when we subtract 7,56,308 minus 5,43,200, we will get the difference 2,13,108. We can check our answers with addition. Here, this first number, that is 7,56,308, is called as minuend, and this is the subtrahend, and the answer of subtraction we called as difference. If you want to check the answer, if we add the difference and the subtrahend, you should get the answer minuend. Look at here. Here the difference is 2,13,108 plus 5,43,200. If you add this 2, we should get the minuend. 8 plus 0, 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So we got here the C minuend, that is 7,56,308. This is the way how to check your answer. So if you want to check your answer, you have to add the difference with subtrahend. So you will get the minuend. Let's see one more example. Here, subtract 7,29,680 from 9,78,516. Children, always remember that while subtracting, we should always write the greater number on the top. Among this, 7,29,680 and 9,78,516, which is greater? 9,78,516. So we should write the minuend as 9,78,516. Now you know the step. The first step is arrange them in the place value chart. So here I have arranged the numbers in the place value chart. I have written the greater number first, then minus 7,29,680. Let's start subtract. Now we start the subtraction from the ones place onward. 6 minus 0. If you remove from the 6, if you remove 0, what will be the nothing you removed? So the leftover will be 6 itself. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Now look at the next digit in the tens place. 1 minus 8. Here in your hand only 1 is there. You have to remove 8 from that. So here smaller digit come on the top. In such cases, while doing subtraction, you should borrow 1 from the next place. Here 1 minus 8. So 1 is smaller than 8. In such cases, we should borrow 1 from the next place. So next place we have 5 group of 100. So we will borrow 1 group of 100 to the tens place. So 1 group of 100 mean it is 10. Here we have already 1 is there. So 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. So in the tens place now we have 11. But in the 100 place we removed 1 group. So we have only 4 here. Now 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. So here we have a more number, minus 8. If you remove 8 from the 11, we will get 3. Now we will do the subtraction of 100 place digits. 4 minus 6. Again a smaller digit comes on the top. So in such cases we have to borrow 1 from next place. So the next place is 1000 place. Here we have 8,000. That is 8 group of 1000. So if you borrow 1 from here, this become we are borrowing 1000, right? So 1000 plus 500 400 will come. So here this number become 14. 14 mean 1400, and this 1 will go from here. So this become 7. So 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. If you remove 6 from 14, you will get 8. Again, next place, 7 minus 9. Here again, a smaller digit comes. So we have to borrow 1 from next place. So next place is 10,000 place. How many numbers, how many digits are there? 7, 10,000. That means 7 group of 10,000. So from this we will remove 1 group of 10,000. So this number become 6 if you remove it. And here we will get it 1 group of 10,000 plus 7,000. Already 7,000 is there. Additionally we got 1 group of 10,000. That means we will got 17,000. That means we will write this 1 here. So we got 17,000. 17 minus 9. What will come? Again 8 will come. 8 plus 9 is 17. Now again next subtraction, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Yes, bigger number. Bigger digit came. So we can easily subtract it. There is no need to borrow here. 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. Again 9 minus 7. Bigger digit. So 9 minus 7. If you remove 7 from the 9, you will get 2. So your difference will be 2,48,836. So this one called as minuend, this one is called as subtrahend, and this is the difference. Now let's check the answer. How to check the answer? To check the answer, we should add the difference to the subtrahend. Here what is the difference? 2,48,836 is the difference. We should add this one with subtrahend. Subtrahend is 7 lakh. So you can start to fill from this side without any confusion. 0 here, 8 in the tens place, 6 in the 100 place, 9 in the 1000 place, 2 in the 10,000 place, and 7 in the lakh place. What we should do it to check the answer? We should add it. Let's add. 6 plus 0 will get 6. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. We learned how to write 11. 1 will write as a carryover here and 1 here. So 11. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 15. So how to write 15? 1 here as a carryover and 5 here. Now 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So 1 is here, 8 here. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Look at, compare this number with this. You got here 9,78,516. This answer is same, which is the minuend, 9,78,516. So you check the answer. This is the way how to do the subtraction of large numbers. Let us learn how to solve word problems related to the subtraction. Let's see the first example. 8,000 aeroplane take off from the airport every day, but only 6,748 could take off on Monday due to bad weather. how many flights were cancelled? Whenever we get this word problem, the first step is you have to read twice. So here they have said daily 8,000 aeroplane take off from the airport. Every day 8,000 aeroplane take off from the airport. Due to bad weather, on Monday only 6,748 could take off. So in that day, how many flights were cancelled? That is the question. So the first step is we have to write it, which all values they have given in sentence wise. So here the first line, 8,000 aeroplane take off from the airport. That means this 8,000 shows the number of aeroplane. So the first line will be number of aeroplane take off every day, which is equal to 8,000. Now the second one, but only 6,748 could take off on Monday. So 6,748 again shows the number of aeroplane that take off on Monday. So we will write the second line as number of aeroplane take off on Monday, which is equal to 6,748. Now the last line is how many flights were cancelled. So we cannot use the word how many in the answer, right? So how many shows again the number. Here we cannot use the word total because it's not an addition. We have to find out how many cancelled. So again we will use for this now how many, we will use the number of aeroplane or flights were cancelled. How to find it out, how many were cancelled? We will subtract it. So that is 8,000 minus 6,748. We know how to subtract it. First we have to arrange them in the place value chart. Here both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. So the places are ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now if we arrange the numbers, first number is 8,000. Now the second number is, I start to arrange from this side, 8, 4, 7, 6. Now we will do the subtraction starting from the ones place digit. So here 0 minus 8. Most of you have a tendency to write either 0 or 8. Actually the 0 minus 8 means a smaller number comes on the top. Always remember you should borrow from the next place. So here a small digit comes on the top. So you have to borrow 1 from the next place. But the next place is tens place. Here also the digit is 0. So we cannot borrow from here. So we will ask from the next place. Next place is 100. Here again we have the digit 0. Now again borrow from the next place. Next place comes as 1000. So here we have 8. So we will borrow from which side? From the 1000 place. So here 8 will cancel and we will write 7. Why we wrote 7? This is 8,000. We remove 1,000. So we have now only 7,000. This 1,000 cannot directly go to the ones place. It will move only to the next place. That means this 1,000 will go only to this side. So now here we have 1,000. That is 1,000 which is equal to a 10. So here we have 10 in our hand. 1000. 1,000 means 1000. From this again 1 will go to this side and this become 10,000 and this become only 900. This become 1000 and this is only this become 10 tens and this become only 900. Then again 1 moves to this side and this become 10 now, whereas this number become 9. So I'll repeat one more time. When we borrow it, here all these places the digit 0 comes, we borrow from the 1000 place. So 1000's place, one group of 1000 move to the 100 place. So this 8 changes to 7. Here we got 10 10, 100. 10, 100 we have. From this 1 gone means we will have only 900. Now here we have 10 tens. 10 tens. From this 1 gone we have only 9. Now here we have 10 ones. 10 ones are 10. We have 10. Now here 10 minus 8, which is equal to 2. The number here is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. So, how many flights were cancelled? 1,252 flights were cancelled. So this is the way how to do the subtraction. Hope you learned how to do the subtraction of large numbers. See you in the next class.